this video, I'm going to show you how to do curtsey lunges. So curtsey lunges are a great way to make your lunges more functional. It's multi-directional and it adds in some rotation component. So a lot of people tend to do lunges going like this, which is great because it works your sagittal plane of motion. But when you add your curtsey lunges, you're adding a diagonal and you're making it multiplanar and functional. So what you're going to do is you're going to stand on one leg. You are going to reach diagonally back with one leg and you're going to go into a lunge. Now you want this knee to be in line with your second toe and you want your pelvis to face forward. You don't want to be rotated out. So we are going to diagonally reach back and lunge down and then switch. I'm just holding a 3-pound weight here. You can hold something heavier if you want something more challenging. But again, you're going to feel a nice work on that outer glute of that front leg. Again, just reaching diagonally back. And then you want your trunk to be nice and neutral. So you don't have to be, you can even, if you want, you could do more of a forward trunk lean, or you can stay more upright. So if you are more upright, it's going to work more of your quads. If you are more of a hinge forward, that's going to work more of your glutes. So it kind of depends on what your focus is of the exercise. So that is how you do the curtsey lunges. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below and I can answer them.